everybody. Today, as you can see, it's really hot because it's summer. And in Korea, it's winter. Especially yesterday, Seoul had a big snow where I lived at Seoul. So I just keep on remembering about my friends. Well, my friends were playing tag like after the snow, and I just miss that. I have one video that we can watch together from me and my friends playing tag. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and enjoy the video!
Hi guys! Today we are at the playground and we're here with my friends. Hi, my name is Rink. I'm from Japan. Hi, I'm Suzuka. I'm also from Japan. How old are you guys? Hi, I am 8 years old. I am 5 years old. Okay, let's get started. I want fire truck! Okay. Where is this thing? He's late. We're gonna start now. Yeah. Let's start. I don't like you.
Yeah, because Keyra needs friends.
Keyra needs friends because she's lonely. She has no friends.
Ooh, so sad.
You're faster than me. Dang it. Okay.
Okay, we're gonna actually play hide and seek.
He's a seeker. And he counts to like 30 or something. And then everybody else has to hide.
A seeker finds somebody, they gotta try to catch them.
Yeah, you have to try tag them. And then when you're out, just say duck, duck, goose or something and sit there.
Duck, duck, goose.
Duck, duck, goose!
Okay.
Yeah.
Duck, duck, goose! Let's start. Duck, I'm gonna say
Let's start. Let's go.
1, go!
8, 9, 28, 29, 30. Okay, now I need to tag them. Find them. I see Keyra. I can jump up there and tag her, but then she's moving. I tagged Benny. Oh, Keisha. Attack Keisha. I think that's everybody. Wait, not yet. So I tagged everybody, and now Benny's it, and he's not gonna tag me yet because I'm saying stuff, and now I just need to run away from him and hide from him.
Guys, me and Rinko was so close by tagged, but we didn't.
Bye, guys.
That was close.
Simon got me, man. a friend got hurt, so we're just gonna stop playing. So we're going to.
Can it be another tagging?
Yeah. How about tag? Just tag.
What do you think? Are you still want to play or not?
I still want to play.
You still want to play? How about your brother? Your brother, okay?
He's gonna pass.
You're gonna pass. Okay. Maybe let him to rest.
Yes.
How about everyone? You still want to play? Or stop? Or one more run?
One round. He says, I don't see paper.
Rock, scissors, paper, shoot.
Scissors, paper, shoot.
Shoot. Okay, you get Suzuka.
Rock, scissors, paper, shoot.
Bam. Okay, pick who. Okay, pick who. Seeger.
This one.
How do I do? Hide.
You have to-
count to 30 with your eyes closed, and then you have to find us all, and then you have to run at us and tag us. To get us out.
Everyone?
Yeah, everybody.
1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So he's a tagger, and I don't know, maybe Sammy's out or maybe Jason's out. Yeah, he's out. Okay.
So what you have to call duck, duck, goose.
Yep.
So when someone tag you and then
If someone tags you, you have to say duck, duck, goose, then you're out. And you
Okay.
just have to watch it.
what happened? You want what? Okay, okay. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Bye. I love you.
I love you, mommy. Mommy, dear.
Okay.
So we are done
Mm-hmm.
playing hide and seek tag.
Today is so cold.
And my hands are really cold.
And also, who do you think won in the comments?
Me. I was the last one to survive.
Only for the last round.
Okay, guys, vote who is the best one at running and hide and seek.
Running. That's it.
Hide and seek tag.
Who is it?
You.
Me.
Me.
Yeah, me. No. Me. No. Me.
Is it?
Me. It's
Okay.
comment down below. Okay, bye. Bye.
Go home right now because Keyra's freezing and she can't feel her hands, and Keyra's friends are